Boom, guys, we are back. Today's video, we're going to pretend cooking these limbs. Okay, I can't even get them. These zebra, giraffe. It's a giraffe.
Nandito kami ngayon sa podcast ng mga Amerikan. Okay.
Zebra, giraffe, zebra. Now let's put these aside. Okay, now we have to pour the juice first. I'm already pouring it in. I actually made these by myself. Pour more. Okay, that's okay. Now let's put it in here. Nope, it's actually here. Woo! Now let's get the limbs in here. First one, actually there's two. Let's put them in. Now I'm gonna get this. If you guys don't know this, you don't eat salad. And woo! Anyways, I got it in. And here are the grapes. That got. Oh my. In there. Yeah, it's okay. Now let's shake it up. Shake it up. It's actually kind of looks pretty good. Now we can take out the salad. Oh no! It's a root. Anyway, don't shake it more. Anyways, we have this big liquid that we're going to pour later. Okay, guys. Been a few seconds, and we got that. Okay, we got this. Now I'm gonna pour this thing in here. Actually, grab some. Come to the camera. Come to the camera. Show yourself. Here is my dad. Here he is. Don't mind him. Boom. Got him out. Okay, here he comes again. Bombardillo. Come back!
Berber Patati.
Did they just call me Berber Patati?
Yes, you are.
We'll be right back. Guys, I tried to jump on my dad, but I accidentally hit this finger on the pole right there. Where is it? Right there. Now I got a little bit of wait guys, I'm gonna put water on it, so I'll be right back. Guys, never mind. Because my brother's eating it. He has chicken pot. So let's just mix. Oh, that's nice. And guys, if you're asking me if I should do a video like this, like with this thing, I already did it, but it's not released yet. It's in my phone. This I can't even stand. I think I don't know. Unless if my mom lets me cook. Anyways, it's starting to smooth. This is the thing that makes my dad laugh. Like that. And I want to watch this. Guys, don't mind that. Boom. I'm joking, I'm not doing it. Boom. Guys, if you know a popular YouTuber please comment it down below. But if I miss any TikToks or trend, comment it down below. And guys, let's get this video to 10,000
mag-update ka.
Wow.
now to get this to 5,000 or to 1,000 likes. Oh, that's my mom doing to my dad. Oh, nah! We'll be right back. Okay, we're back here with just a joke. I got food.
Dami kayo.
Don't mind their voices. Papa, your voice is killing me here. Bye. I launched.
Sino yan?
Who is there? If you know that this one, don't eat it.
Message na pa. Same message.
Anyway.
Mag-update na nga. Ngani. Paparos na ako.
Help me. How are you going again?
Tamad ko kasi mag-message. Nung dating text ako ng text, nabubwisit ka.
Wow.
Nung hindi na ako nag-message,
Kasalanan ko.
hindi na ako nag-message, nabubwisit ka din. Bakla yan na. Talaga mayabang ka.
Guys, I know I disappeared. But I'm still here! So while I'm gone, please like and subscribe.
Kakasal daw pa. Kaya ako nakakaya mo. Kaya mo papakain mo.
Order din kay Mobile Card. Ayun.
I'm joking, I wasn't actually crying. Their habits making my butt. This is why I hate fly.
Lalaki kayo makla.
Lord. And we're going to have a special guest later. And you guys look at this.
It's a tie.
Saan ako nakikita ng ganyan bilaw ng katulad ko? Ibo na bilaw?
Di ba cool yan?
Ha?
And I'll be right back.
Pero tigas din.
Adidas na.
Mahal yan?
Alam mo maganda sa gagawin ni boss? Additional boosting. Pero kahit ano mapili ni boss, maganda pa rin. Ano bang diferensya ng
Ganda mo.
pag ikaw pa may pili sa dalawa?
May sinitas eh.
Meron message tas meron wala.
Kaya parang dalawa na lang yung function pero tatanggalin ko pa yung isa parang sayang.
Tsaka boss, if you're going to compare the price of them, mas mahal pa nga si Noti para sa Samsung. Kasi meron silang pag magawa mo ng mas mas mura sa San.
Hindi, may
Pareho naman
gigas
sila
po
boy.
rin.
Pero pili mo sa
Pag bumili ka kahit ano dyan, boss, sasaya kami. Magkano ba ito? Bali ko eh. 669. Dito, 79. Ah, 10,000. Bali ito, no, boss. Parang pinagtabi mo si George, sumadya si Paring Dios.
papunta na, may ko talaga yung isa.
Hindi ba na pag-usapan niyo ni boss? Sumalik tayo ni Aunt Boss 300. Sige, ito na lang, boss. Gawin ko na lang 2.9 tapos hindi ka lang dandi. 10,000 halfway lang tayo kung 3 hours. Baka manuhin, alam mo naman kami po, bang-issue lang kitaan namin.
Ang laki number na.
Ah, 88 po.
Para masaya pareho ba? Gitna na lang.
At boss na 288. Since mo naman po sila lagay namin sa loob sa 6.
Pupwesto na ako dyan.
Adjusting and adjusting. Ayos na naman. Ayos pa po sabi naman. Pag-happy ka po sabi ni Cholo. Abangan nyo kung alam namin ni Cholo dahil na.
Ayan na.
Ang tao ng bali, parang ano.
Kaya yun talaga lang. Ano bang ginagawa mo? Yung tuhod mo sinabi.
Now, teamwork makes dream work. Bukas guys, kita-kita na alas 6 ng umaga. Dapat ready na kayo, hindi na 6 mag-iisip.
Mahal sa mahal
Joke.
kayo ang tabi.
Kaya ko mag-video. Guys, kita-kita. Barkada ko doon guys. Sorry.
Can I watch
12.5 lang.
Hindi ka sa sa'yo.
Hercules? Yes. Yes, it's me. Voices is 3, 2, 1.
Paano yung aso mo? Pinakain mo naman.
Tinabi mo kasi kay Carlo na wala tuloy.
Alam mo dito, kinakilala rin yun sa
Guys, comment your answers below.
Tumahimik ka.
Ooh, ito ba yung kuya?
Kinakwento lang sa likod naman si Carlo. Kinakwento.
I'm gonna break them. Okay, I already broke it. Now, I will be right back.
Marami yung laman.